Alright, got you another one. I didn't do it before video because I didn't have time and just forgot about it. Anyway, got it all done. Neighbor's car, neighbor's daughter's car, I should say. Her husband's car. He don't drive anymore, hardly much, so wanted to get cleaned up. Sitting for a while, she just wanted to get it cleaned up. Nothing fancy. That's about it. Tomorrow we're doing some cool stuff. Try to put the camera back in the Vega again and get some more footage. Car show here in town tomorrow for first responders. Should be some cool stuff out there. Should run a video out there for a little while. Should be some cool stuff and try to get some video. Alright, that's it for now. See y'all later.